What if I told you you can manifest at the speed of light? Take a guess first though. How fast is the speed of light? 186,000 miles a second. So whether you want something, you want to manifest something, you got a goal, it doesn't matter where in the world the resources, the people, or the circumstances are. 186,000 miles a second. Your desire can manifest almost instantly. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manifest at the speed of light. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Sounds crazy, but hang with me and I'll show you how. Number one, realize that you are a light being. And by that I mean this entire reality is simply light. That's all this reality is. All your computer or your iPhone screen is a projection of light photons. The technology on the computer or the iPhone is simply projecting light photons in a certain vibrational arrangement, so it appears to be me talking to you right now. Similarly, so your wall is simply a certain arrangement of light photons that give it the appearance to be a wall. What is blue? Well, in the universe, there's no such thing as colors. But in this physical world, the certain vibrational frequency of light makes something appear to be blue, or yellow, or green. Everything is light. That's all it is. You are a light being. That's all your body is. It's a certain arrangement of light. And besides, you're not even your body anyways. Your body is a garage that houses your soul, which is endless, infinite light. Pure consciousness. Pure consciousness with the ability to create anything that you want. So first, understand you're pure light, and so is everything else in this world. And when you understand that, and you understand that light moves at 186,000 miles a second, you can actually create anything that you want. And the only thing that stands in the way is the resistance. In other words, it's the darkness. It's the belief that I'm not worthy, that I'm not good enough, that I'm not smart enough, that I can't manifest more money quickly, a new job quickly, my soulmate quickly. It's those belief systems that actually make the light photons of reality project in a way that limits us. Because at every second, people say, well, nothing's changing, I'm in the same life I was last year. Everything is changing at every second. Nothing is even solid. It's light vibrating very, very quickly so it appears solid to the physical senses. So everything is always changing, and when you understand how to manipulate light, you can manipulate matter, which in turn can change your bank account, your love life, where you live, how you feel about yourself, how much money you make, the car that you drive, and if you're impacting the world in a positive way. So number two, thought is light that's unmanifested. Manifested means it appears in this physical world, right? So what is your iPhone or your computer that you're watching on? It's thought, an idea, an image that became manifested as a physical object, but it was unmanifested thought. It existed, but it was unmanifested thought that became manifested. So understand this. Thought moves at the speed of light. It's simply light that's beyond the level of visible light that we can perceive with our limited physical senses. Much like a dog whistle blows and you can't hear the dog whistle, it's outside of your spectrum of what your ears can perceive. Thought is outside of the spectrum of what your eyes can see. Yet most people live their life only basing reality off what they can see. But if you base reality only off what you can see, then you can never create the impossible. You can never change the world. You can never change your world. You can never rewrite your bank account because you're always looking with your eyes to see what's possible based off of the way that you used to think. And so the question is, what are you thinking? What do you think about money? What do you think about love? What do you think about the possibility for you to attract your soulmate, to manifest more money, to live an adventurous life, to have everything that you desire? What do you think about your goals? Because at every second, the speed of light, which is your thought, is manifesting your reality. This is totally malleable, this world, meaning at every second, it's molding and shaping the way that you're thinking. And instantly, because everything in this world is light, your reality is cementing itself and affirming itself at every single second. So the question is, what are you thinking? What are you imagining? What ideas do you have? What vision do you have? Go like this, look at your hand. Look at your hand right now. Look at your hand. See it right now. Look at it, see the lines on it or the calluses on it or whatever. Then close your eyes and see clearly your hand with your eyes closed. See the lines on it. Can you see it clearly? If you can, which you probably can, stare at anything and do that, that's how you start to formulate images in your mind. That's how you channel thought energy. That's how you channel light in order to manifest what you want. And when you can hold the image with a powerful emotion, an emotion that it's possible, an emotion that it's already realized, an emotion of gratitude, an emotion of excitement, you're supercharging that image and you're creating a magnetic field of light where you can manipulate reality. This sounds crazy, but Steve Jobs used to say, the world was built by people no smarter than you. When you realize that, you can mold it, shape it, and change it however you want. I'll repeat that. When you realize the world was built by people no smarter than you, you can mold it, you can shape it, and you can change it however you want. Well, how can you mold it, shape it, and change it however you want? Because it's all light. That's all it is. It's light. And if you can get a powerful vision, and get emotionally involved in it, and practice acting as if it's already realized, telling yourself it's already a reality, and starting to take action on it, you create a powerful momentum field where you can attract things quickly into your life, where you can attract them fast because the resistance is gone. Thought is unmanifested light, and if you channel thought energy, you can create what you want. If you have trouble with that, download my free success hypnosis, because a lot of it is subconscious, and your subconscious might have resistance around that. It's free, jakeshypnosis.com down below, to train your subconscious mind so that your thoughts are around success, prosperity, and abundance. Number 3, practice being grateful for the images and visions that you hold, even if your mind wants to tell you that they're not a reality or they're impossible. So the same way that you took your hand and then you visualize your hand, now take that practice and visualize the car that you want and yourself with your hand on your steering wheel of it. Imagine yourself in the bank and you're looking at your bank statement with all this money in it. Imagine yourself, this hand, holding hands with your soulmate. Imagine yourself in your dream house. Evoke the feeling, the thoughts, see it, get emotionally involved. Every time you have a thought, whether it's true or not true, you actually create a chemical reaction in your brain that fires electrical impulses through your nervous system, which is, in other words, an E-motion. What's an E-motion? Energy in motion, light in motion. And that creates a magnetic field of energy that can allow you to get in harmony with what you want, to be on the same vibration as what you want, so you can attract it at the speed of light. You can attract things so fast. You can close your eyes right now and do an experiment and start imagining more money, or start imagining your soulmate, or start imagining a certain person texting you or calling you. You can close your eyes and imagine a certain challenge turning into an amazing opportunity, a problem being solved. You can imagine, and then you could sit there and be like, thank you, universe, I'm so grateful for this. And you keep saying that to yourself. Thank you, universe, I'm so grateful for this. And get involved emotionally in that, mentally in that, and you're gonna see it show up in your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. You're pure light, that's all you are. This world is pure light, that's all it is. And thought is unmanifested light. It's the human form of how to move at the speed of light. Thinking is. And if you hold the vision of what you want, and you practice being grateful for it, even though it might not, quote unquote, physically happen already with what you see with your eyes, if you get away with looking with your eyes and you start having inner vision rather than getting focused on the physical world, you can manifest what you want almost instantly. Be sure that you download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, to train your mind. Get rid of any other ideas. You are an infinite, endless being with the ability to manifest and create whatever you want to create. Anything you've been told otherwise is BS. You can do it. Be sure that you check out the Second Mind. It's our technology we designed to rewire the brain so you can attract what you want quicker and faster and easily. You can demo it for free, thesecondmind.com, because your neurocircuitry is programmed in a certain way. If you rewire it, then you can manifest what you want, thesecondmind.com. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, comment down below, hashtag I am light. Hashtag I am light. Hashtag I am light. Actually comment it, because I want to ingrain into your brain with me that you're pure light, that this reality is pure light and you can mold it, shape it, and change it however you want. That's what Steve Jobs says. You can do it too. Hashtag I am light.